Guys, so today's verb is the verb tsukuru, which means to make, to create, to build, or to prepare. Okay, the kanji is this one, tsuku, and then the hiragana is ru. So we're gonna be changing the R column when we make the other forms. Okay, it's an irregular verb. So let's have a look. The first one is our dictionary form, the friendly version. So tsukuru. For example, gohan o tsukuru, gohan o tsukuru, which means to cook. Okay, so when we say gohan, actually we think of rice. Okay, but actually it's not only rice, it can be the whole meal. Okay, it can be the fish, it can be the miso soup, anything. So when we actually say gohan tsukureru, we are asking, can you cook, referring to not only rice but everything else. Now, do you cook? Gohan tsukuremasu ka? But when we want to refer to rice specifically, we can say shiro gohan, because usually in Japan the rice that we eat is the white rice with nothing in it, right? So shiro meaning white and gohan, shiro gohan. But when we say only gohan, we are talking about like the whole set, I would say. Okay, so in this case, gohan wo tsukuru means I'm gonna prepare, I would say prepare lunch or dinner or whatever the meal is. Okay? Now, the masuke, then we're gonna change the ru for ri, so it's gonna be tsukurimasu, tsukurimasu. So for example, jibun de tsukurimasu, jibun de tsukurimasu. So jibun means myself, like me. Okay, so de is the method. So jibun de means by myself, by myself. So tsukurimasu, in this case, whatever you're making, you're building, or preparing, you can say, well, I'm gonna do by myself. Okay, I'm gonna make it by myself, prepare by myself. I don't need your help. ね、手伝いましょうか? Do you need help? いいえ, no, thank you. 自分で作ります. I will make it by myself. Okay? Now, the negative form is nai, so we're gonna need to change the ru for ra. Okay, 作らない, 作らない. So for example, 焦って作らないでください. 焦って作らないでくださいね. Please don't make it or build it or prepare it in a hurry, ね? In a rush. Aseru means to rush, to hurry. Okay, so take your time, ね? ゆっくり作って、ね? Take your time to make it. And the teke I just said it now, ね? Is to 作って, ね? 作って, which is make it or build it. We're gonna be turning then the ru into a small tsu. Okay? For example, 早く作ってほしい. 早く作ってほしい. This means I want to make fast is the translation. However, because we don't really use the subject in Japanese, we don't know here. But this is actually like when I think it's a you. Okay, I want you to make it fast. ね、早く作ってほしい. I want you to make it fast. なんか, for example, somebody's cooking something for you, or somebody's preparing something for you, and then you say, 早く作ってほしいね. I want you to make it, to cook it, to build it fast for me, okay? Because when you say about yourself, like, I want to make it fast or to build this fast, I guess we would say 早く作りたい, né? We would say the other form, 作りたい. Whenever we say てほしい, it's more like we're implying that we want somebody to do something for us, okay? There's a small nuance over there. So for this one, I would say I want you to make it, or to create it, or to prepare it fast. ね、早く. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video then, and I see you on the next one. また次までですね。バイバイ。